Yan na.
Yung ba't kaya service yan?
Ay, sa noidor mo.
Okay. Ito ka. Ganda. Finally, kijing bam jongi kilapoy. Look, aruda kum no kabyang nem. How was the food? It's good. So we came here to eat some food, very tasty. Okay, we have watermelon juice also. Look here, we order butter naan and butter chicken. Hey, it's not a butter chicken, right? Butter masala bol rahe. So finally we came here. Enjoy with us, okay? Very good. Thank you. Bố Frank tôi mang lên Mumbai.
Yan pa, yan na.
It's not very good. I'm so excited. It's very good food again. Kaaruda kang pati umso rengat tinggal adip test lu baru koi sak tanggo biryani ngan bang. So first we will try now. We already finished to have roti. We already finished, right, Aruda? So we will have some this biryani. I don't know. Wait, I will service. Okay, I will service for her. This. Madari ko nasdang. Bukan. Babang. Pitch lah ding dong bang yan. First, I will complete this roti. I'm not finished. Okay, I'm not finished. So after that, we will have this. I just want to taste this biryani. Okay, it's my first time I have this biryani here, Imperial. So I just want to taste little bit because my stomach is already full. Finally, we are already finished to have food here. So I already finished. Aruda, kum notice nyo? Kabang na yung kabang. We already finished to have food here. So kila ay lupa kani ka finger bowl yung hero kublay sibon. I would like to say thank you so much for them. They already provide for us finger bowl also. Thank you so much.